I think the skylight needs to be possibly recocked or silicone put around that, because I don't believe I should have rain on this little plastic thing. So I'm going to need to get up on top of the roof at some point in time when it stops raining and figure out what's going on, because it should not be leaking inside the skylight. So that's another leak I need to address. But the windows are doing really well, and I'm pleased with the silicone that I put around. So this is what it looks like at the top. Maybe what I need to do is go ahead and put a little bit of sealant around it to see if that might stop the leak. Because I'm not sure why condensation's getting in there. There's clearly some kind of a hole. Hello campers and RVers. So tomorrow I'm gonna head on out to an appointment that I made to get this skylight hopefully repaired. I think what it is it needs to be caulked on the exterior, on the outside, and not for sure, but you know, I've never ever had any problems with any leaks in this rig until that big blower was put in here down in Mississippi, and ever since then I've had nothing but problems. But hopefully tomorrow they'll be able to caulk all around it on the exterior, on the roof, and that'll resolve that problem, because you know, condensation and stuff is coming down on here like I've showed you before, and I can't have that. I don't want it leaking inside the rig, and it's not supposed to do that. I did contact the people at Airstream, and they said it shouldn't be doing that either. Never did that the whole time I've had the rig. So clearly there's some kind of a hole up there that's allowing air to get in, or condensation, so, or air in that's creating the condensation. So I need to get that repaired sooner rather than later. So I'll do that tomorrow, and I'll keep you updated on the repairs with that. So that's what's going on with the leak with the skylight, and that's all I have for today, and I'll keep you updated on that. Hello campers and RVers. Well, I took my rig in to get the skylight siliconed around for the leak, and unfortunately there were 2 cracks in the skylight, and not good. The repairman put some silicone in the areas that were cracked, but you just can't leave that. You need to replace it. So I took it to a repair shop, and they said that they could do the installation of the new skylight, but they had trouble ordering the part for my Airstream. So they allowed me to order the part myself, and I contacted Airstream to get the exact part number and where to order it and all that. And now I'm just waiting for them to come in and install it. Took a few days to get it, and I'm now at the repair shop just waiting for them to come out and remove the old one and put in the new one. So that'll be good to get that fixed. It's unfortunate that those skylights don't last long. I'm not sure why it cracked, whether it was that machine that was put inside the rig and created all of that pressure with the windows and with the skylight. I don't know. It's kind of ironic that I had problems with it right after that happened, but all I can do is get it replaced and move forward. So I'm looking forward to getting this replaced so that I don't have to babysit it and watch for any type of leaks up there at the skylight. And it's a great skylight. It lets in a lot of light, and you know, and it warms up the rig. So I really like it. So I'll be glad to get this done and keep you updated on the repairs. So you can see it's still leaking, and this is the plastic that it's leaking on. So that's what they're going to replace. Additionally, I'm going to have them replace the black tank and gray tank. I guess rubber seals. I'm having some issues in that area.
So I want to get that fixed as well. And since I'm here, they said they could certainly swap that out. So that'll be 2 things to get off my list. You got to do the maintenance on these rigs, otherwise you have problems. So I'll check back with y'all later.
So this is the Skylight, the name brand of it, and this is what was recommended. It's pretty big box. They want to make sure that when they ship it, it ships safely, because it's plastic. So that's the Skylight. It's they call it like a bronze color, and so that's it. So you're taking off the silicone to put in some Diacor.
Yep.
Which is highly recommended.
It's more used for roofs. It's good for fiberglass, metal, and normal rubber roofs. So
awesome. So this is what it looks like without the cover on there. It's completely open. You can see the sky. So anyways, he's in the process of replacing it, and here is the new one. So now I'm having the valves replaced for the black tank and the gray tank. They said you have to do it once in a while, so check back with you later. So he just replaced the black tank valve, and I told him I want the gray one changed out too. Why not change out both of them at the same time, as long as I'm doing the maintenance on this? Let's just get it done. That's one less thing I have to worry about. Bringing it in for any type of additional work. So they just finished installing it, and that's the way it looks from the inside. See if I can get a photo of it outside. So that's what it looks like. They finished putting the Diacor around and installing the new Skylight, so I'm pretty pleased with it. And they just replaced both the black and the gray tank valves, and also they put some type of glue on the pipes. I don't know what the glue is, but he said he would seal it with something. So everything looks good. Well, all of the repairs are completed. New Skylight and 2 new levers on the dump tank, so I'm happy that's done. This actually is the 3rd Skylight that I've had put in. The other 2 were done by Airstream. And when the repairman pulled off the old Skylight, there were holes on the side of the Skylight, and I'm not sure what those are for, why they had those in there. But the new one that I bought does not have those holes, so maybe that had something to contribute to how quickly it wore out. Not sure, or if it was that machine that was put in here, but hopefully it's going to last a little longer than the last 2. Maybe it's the 3rd time's the charm, who knows. But anyways, that's all I have for today. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.